Iron. Cow's milk and dairy products are some of the most consumed foods nowadays. Not only are they used as ingredients in delicious recipes, they've been praised for their nutritional properties as well as the vitamins and minerals they give our body, especially milk. Did you know that there are natural products that are much healthier and richer in calcium than cow's milk? Sesame seeds, for example, are rich in nutrients such as calcium, iron, complex B vitamins, fiber, and protein. Along with soy, sesame seeds are some of the richest foods in lecithin, which lowers your cholesterol levels and helps break down fats, aiding in weight loss. Furthermore, lecithin helps control cholesterol levels. It also protects and improves the functioning of your liver and brain. A good way to consume sesame seeds is by drinking sesame milk, which is really easy to make. Sesame milk is great because it's rich in calcium, yet contains no lactose. It's also rich in magnesium, a mineral which is essential for calcium absorption. That's why sesame milk is so much better than cow's milk. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 1 cup of white or black sesame seeds. Black seeds have more calcium. 3 cups of filtered water or mineral water. Instructions: let the seeds soak for 8 to 12 hours. After that, throw out the water and keep the seeds. Blend them with 3 or 4 cups of water, depending on how thick you want your sesame milk to be. Strain it, and your sesame milk is ready. Store it in the refrigerator and drink it within the next 24 hours. If you want to sweeten it, add honey if you're not diabetic, or pure stevia. With the sesame that you strained from the liquid, you can make a sesame ricotta. All you have to do is season it with whatever you want: rosemary, oregano, salsa, or salt, for example. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.